Hello students, my name is Rasika Saste. I am working as an assistant professor in IT department of AISSMS IOIT Pune. So our today's topic is training and testing dataset in machine learning. So the whole dataset in machine learning model is divided into two parts, train set and test set. The training set is the one on which we are going to train the model, and we are going to check the performance by using the test model. So where the training data output is available to model, whereas testing data is the unseen data for which predictions have to be made. So there is another type of data set also, that is a validation set. So this validation set is different from the test set and train set. The validation set is actually can be regarded as a part of training set because it is used to build your model. So it is usually used for the parameter selection and to avoid the overfitting of the model. So if a model is trained on the training set only, so we will get 100% accuracy and the overfit problem. So we will get very poor performance on the test data set. So if we are using the validation set, which is independent from the train set, is used for the parameter selection, so we will get the maximum performance of the model. So the training set is used to train your model, the validation set is used to validate the output produced by your model, and the test set is used to test the performance of your model. So this is the this diagram shows the part of training dataset, validation dataset and test dataset if we are considering the whole dataset. So this is one of the technique, cross validation. So this cross validation technique is used to uh, check the performance of the model more accurately. So people first split their dataset into the two parts, that is train dataset and test dataset. So after this they have to keep the test dataset aside, and they are going to randomly choose the some amount of train dataset to be actual training set and remaining amount as an validation set. Okay, so when the model is iteratively trained and validated on this different set, then there are multiple ways to do this, and it is commonly known as a cross validation. So the whole data set is used as in train data set, as in test data set and as in validation set. So basically, if we are using the train data set to generate the multiple splits on the train and validation set, so the cross validation avoids overfitting, and it is getting more and more popular, with k-fold cross validation being most the popular method of cross validation. So we will see this cross validation technique in detail with the help of this diagram. So as we can see, there are 20 different data instances present. So in the first iteration we are going to use first 5 data instances as an test data set and remaining instances as in train data set. Then iteration 2, we are going to change our test and train data set, means we are going to use next 5 instances as in test data set and remaining instances as in train data set. In iteration 3, we are going to use next 5 data instances as an train instances, test instances and remaining instances as in train instances. And in the kth iteration we are going to use next 5 instances as in test instances and remaining instances as in training instances. So with the help of cross validation we will get the maximum performance of the model. We can check the accuracy of the model more efficiently by using this cross validation techniques. Thank you.